This is our diagram from 1435. This is where it all began. There you can see they are drawing angles. We really don't know what this angle is. It really doesn't matter because we are projecting to the picture plane and then transferring that over to the drawing. That's the basis for plan and elevation view. In this case, this is two elevation views, one from the front, one from the side. If we take this elevation view from the side and move it over and put the picture plane right on the center of vision, we're moving the station point over with it. So here's the viewer's eye, station point. And when we draw a line to the picture plane, to the viewer's eye, you can see that it hits right there. Now this is a 45-degree angle. It makes a square. Any line that we draw to that station point will be making a 45-degree angle line. So in this situation, when we put the picture plane right along the center of vision, this station point draws 45-degree angle lines. So you don't really need the picture plane. I can draw a random shape and then draw a line to the station point, and I get a square to not have to go to the picture plane and then draw a line back. So we have the station point over here setting right on the horizon line. We have it over to the left of the center of vision. We could take this station point and we can also put it over here to the right. And then when we do that, we're creating 45-degree angle lines to the other side. Now when we're not projecting things to the picture plane, we don't really need to call this a station point anymore. It is a line that is drawing 45-degree angles. We are measuring width to be the same as depth. So these were at one point called distance points, but now we call them measuring points. So if we just have these 3 points here, we don't have a really good idea of how far we can draw before distortion starts. The cone of vision would be very helpful here. So it would be nice to have that station point, the viewer's eye. The cone of vision is 60 degrees from the viewer's eye. These points that we used to call a station point, the viewer's eye, are now called measuring points. So we put the station point back in the drawing so we can get our cone of vision. You can use these measuring points, the 1-point measuring points, you could use those to get your cone of vision. Or we can add another point. We can swing it down here. And put it there, station point. From this point, we can draw our cone of vision. So now this looks like the diagram that we have been using. In this drawing, you measure depth by projecting to the picture plane. In this drawing, we measure depth by drawing isosceles triangles.